carrot halwa is a popular sweet made in North India, and it is especially popular during winters. This dish is also known Gajrela in Punjabi. Ingredients: carrots, peel to half a kilogram, doodh, milk, fresh 1.5 liter, elaichi powder, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 cup or as required, kesar, saffron strands, 1 pinch, desi ghee, clarified butter, 3/4 cup or as required, kaju, cashew nuts, sliced 14 to 15, badam, almonds, blanched sliced 1/4 cup, khoya unsweetened 500 gram, edible silver leaves, pistachios, sliced. Method: grate carrots with the help of the grater. In a wok, add grated carrots, mix well, cook until moisture is reduced, 15 to 18 minutes. Remove the lid and continue cooking until carrots water dries up. Add milk and mix well, bring it to boil, cook carrots with milk on medium flame until milk evaporates, 40 to 50 minutes. Add cardamom powder, add sugar, mix well, cook on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Add saffron strands, mix well. In a frying pan, clarified butter, let it melt. Add cashew nuts, almonds, mix well, fry until light golden. In a wok, add fried nut and saute well, cook until ghee separates, 12 to 15 minutes. In a frying pan, add clarified butter, let it melt. Add khoya, mix well, cook on low flame until it melts. In a serving dish, khoya and spread evenly. Garnish with edible silver leaves, pistachios and serve.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.